Hi there. Today's tried and tested recipe is crunchy chickpea munchies, a snack that is enjoyed by one and all. There's no sauce involved in this recipe and that allows the chickpeas to remain crunchy for a longer time. So, when are you making it? Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. The main ingredients for the recipe: chickpeas that you must soak in water overnight and boil them, besan or gram flour, corn flour, red chili flakes, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and a bit of Kasuri Methi or dried fenugreek leaves, chaat masala powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, vegetable oil for deep frying. This is about a cup of boiled chickpeas that I am using for the recipe today. Take a large bowl and add in the chickpeas, add in the spices, season with salt, add in about a tablespoon of the gram flour or besan and a tablespoon of the corn flour. Give it a mix so that all the chickpeas are well coated with the two flours and all the masalas or the spices. Mix for a minute. That's how they look. You could even toss them up. Sprinkle some water and toss it up one more time. For the second coating, we'll just use corn flour, about a tablespoon of it, and give it a mix. Make sure to coat all the chickpeas with the corn flour so that they appear white and like large pearls. That's how they look. I'm using a steamer plate. You could use a strainer and line it with some kitchen paper. Keep it ready to drain the fried chickpeas. The oil is hot and I'll just add the chickpeas. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Fry them till they are nice and crispy. They are already turning hard. That's been frying for about 2 minutes now, and just see how nice and golden they look. Time to get them out and drain them on absorbent kitchen paper. That's how crispy they have turned out. Fry the rest. Take a large bowl, it should be absolutely dry, and pour in the fried chickpeas. Just hear the sound. You could add any seasoning of your choice. I'll just add some chaat masala and garlic powder. Give it a quick toss, and that's ready to plate. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves on top. Place a wedge of lime and serve immediately. Want a bite?